We love getting out and exploring the great outdoors with our 4 boys. Here in California, there's a lot to see, from the beaches to the mountains and the cities, even the desert. So BEDSLIDE helps us get our truck packed for adventure. To protect all our gear from the elements like snow, rain, and excessive sun, we put on a snug top. With our model, you can open the windows, but it's still difficult to get in there unless you're 7 feet tall. This is where BEDSLIDE really comes in handy. BEDSLIDE's latch system is also one of the safest on the market. The great thing about BEDSLIDE is they fit all trucks and they have a weight capacity that goes all the way up to 2,000 pounds.
This is how we pack our BEDSLIDE for adventure. First, camp gear. Then, the off-road rescue gear. Chains. And tools. Of course, our giant adventure fridge from Snowmaster. Finally, our luggage, stroller, and rooftop tent ladder.
BEDSLIDE is made right here in the United States, up in Medford, Oregon, and they have a lifetime warranty when registered within 30 days of purchase.
And the view is better with BEDSLIDE. BEDSLIDE. Get to